It happened again, this time in Rolla, Missouri. Tonight, police are searching for two people who burglarized a gun store. They released these photos of the suspects. Police say they stole multiple firearms around 6:15 last night at PCA Guns. If you have any information, you're asked to call the Rolla Police Department. That number is 573-308-1213. Over the past few weeks, burglars hit at least 5 gun stores in the St. Louis area. They did it by ramming stolen cars into the buildings. The group is reported to have swiped more than 50 firearms. The ATF is offering a reward of up to $7,500 for information leading to the identification and the arrest of the suspects. And if you know anything, you can call 1-800-283-4867.